Ever find yourself daydreaming?
Oh,
You
no.
know,
Okay.
about like effortlessly gliding past baggage claim.
Well, everyone else is stuck waiting for their luggage.
Ugh, yes, that's the dream. And guess what? Today, we're diving deep into how to make that dream a reality with our ultimate travel hack. Packing light, carry on only.
We're going to help you become a packing ninja.
Even if right now you're thinking, no way, I'm a just-in-case kind of packer.
Yeah, we've all been there. But seriously, it's not just about cramming everything into a smaller bag. It's a totally different way to think about travel.
So it's deeper than just the bag.
Way deeper. It's about freedom, flexibility, and even, dare I say it, joy.
Hold on. Joy. From packing less. Okay, color me intrigued, but I need some convincing. Why ditch the checked bag? Seriously.
Okay, imagine this. Your plane just landed in a new city, right? Everyone's waiting for their bags, but not you. You're already out exploring, feeling that travel buzz. That's the beauty of it. You're not weighed down, literally.
Okay, that's a good point.
Plus, think about all those pesky checked baggage fees.
Oof, don't remind me.
That's money you could be spending on delicious local food or unique experience or even just like saving it.
Okay, I'm listening. No more baggage fees, more money for adventures. I'm starting to see the light. Literally. But how do we even start packing this way? It seems like, I don't know, a whole new mindset.
You're totally right. It's a total mindset shift. It's about thinking versatile, not, oh my gosh, I need to bring my entire closet.
It's so easy to fall into that trap.
Oh, totally. But try this. Only pack things that have multiple uses.
Give me an example. I need to visualize this.
Okay, so instead of packing a scarf just for warmth, what if it could also be a shawl? Or even a picnic blanket in a pinch? That's the power of multi-purpose.
Oh, I like where your head's at.
And remember, pretty much anywhere you go has laundry.
That's true. I always forget that.
Packing light isn't about bringing your entire wardrobe. It's about bringing the essentials and embracing the adventure, even if that includes finding a local laundromat.
Okay, love it. And speaking of essentials, what about the bag itself?
Oh, the bag. Absolutely essential. Think of it as your trusty sidekick.
I'm into it.
So, number one, make sure it's lightweight, obviously, and double, triple check those airline size restrictions. Nobody wants to be that person gate checking their bag. But here's the real pro tip.
Hit me with it.
Compartments, my friend.
Okay.
Trust me, having a designated place for everything is a game changer. Remember, organized bag equals organized traveler equals way less stress.
Organized and ready to conquer the world. Love it.
Yep.
All right, let's talk clothes, because that's my downfall. How do I pack a week's worth of outfits into my tiny carry-on?
Have you ever heard of a capsule wardrobe?
I feel like I have, but remind me.
So it's like this.
Yeah.
You pick a limited color scheme, right? And then you only pack clothes that can be mixed and matched.
So, like, everything goes with everything.
Exactly. This means you're prioritizing wrinkle-resistant fabrics, merino wool, nylon. Those are your new best friends.
Got it. Wrinkle-free is key, for sure.
And remember, aim for at least 2 unique outfits per clothing item.
Wait, 2 outfits?
Yeah.
From one piece.
You got this. Now, picture this.
Okay, I'm picturing.
You've got your capsule wardrobe all laid out. Are you folding or are you rolling?
Ooh, good question. Is rolling better?
100%. Saves space, fights wrinkles. It's a win-win. And speaking of winning, packing cubes, they're like magic, but for organization. One for shirts, one for pants, maybe even a small one for socks and underwear. Everything has its place.
Okay, this is genius. But I have to ask, what about toiletries? That's always where I go overboard.
Oh, toiletries, the silent space hoggers, they can really get you.
Tell me about it.
First, ditch those bulky bottles and get yourself some travel-size containers.
Easy enough.
Or, and this is even better, go for solid options. Shampoo bars, conditioner bars, toothpaste tablets, good for the planet and great for your bag.
Wait, they make toothpaste in tablet form?
You do, and they're life-changing, I swear. And don't forget the ultimate multitasker Dr. Bronner's soap, face wash, body wash, even dish soap in a pinch.
Who knew packing light could be so eco-friendly? But even with all these tips, I still hear that voice in my head. But what if you need?
The just-in-case dilemma.
It's real.
Here's the thing. You can almost always buy stuff at your destination.
So true.
Don't let fear win. Embrace the freedom of packing light.
You're speaking my language. This has been so eye-opening. I feel like I could pack my bag right now and do it right. Any last words of wisdom?
Remember, packing light isn't about deprivation. It's about intention.
Intention. I like that.
It's about being present in each moment, unburdened by all that, well, baggage.
So well said. And listeners, here's something to think about. Maybe the best souvenir isn't something you buy, but that newfound freedom that comes from packing light.
Maybe that's what they mean by traveling light.
Ooh, I like that.